You're not ugly, you're just lazy. Every day, someone stares at the mirror and whispers, "I'm not attractive enough." And every day, that same person skips the gym, eats garbage, sleeps 4 hours, and wonders why nobody looks twice. Let me be real with you. The internet sold you a lie. They told you to love yourself exactly as you are. That sounds beautiful. It's also the reason you haven't changed in 3 years. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. For most people, the problem is not genetics, it's not your bone structure, it's not the shape of your nose. The problem is 6 disgusting habits you repeat every single day. And today, we're going to destroy all 6. Number 1, you call yourself ugly. You wake up, look in the mirror, and the first thing you do is insult yourself. You say, "I'm ugly." You say, "Nothing works for me." And then you carry that energy into every room you walk into. Here's what you don't understand. That belief becomes your posture, it becomes your eye contact, it becomes the way you speak and the way you move. People don't see your face first, they see your energy. And your energy is screaming defeat before you even open your mouth. You're not ugly, you're defeated. There's a difference. Stop rehearsing failure every morning. The mirror doesn't lie, but your narrative does. Number 2, you're out of shape. I'm not telling you to look like a fitness model, I don't care about six-packs. But if you can't walk up 2 flights of stairs without breathing heavy, that's a problem. If you can't carry your own groceries without struggling, that's a problem. Your body is the vehicle you live in every single day, and you're treating it like a rental car. You don't need a gym membership, you need 30 minutes of movement. Walk, do push-ups on your floor, stretch, move your body like you actually respect it, because right now, you don't, and everybody can see it. Number 3, your hygiene is terrible. This one should be obvious, but apparently it's not. Bad breath, body odor, dirty nails, wrinkled clothes, crusty shoes. You could have the face of a movie star, and none of it matters if people can smell you before they see you. Hygiene is the lowest bar of attractiveness, and some of you still can't clear it. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss, shower properly, wear clean clothes, trim your nails. This costs almost nothing, it takes almost no time, and it changes the way every single person perceives you instantly. Number 4, you eat like you hate yourself. Breakfast is energy drinks and candy. Lunch is fast food from a drive-thru. Dinner is whatever comes in a microwave box. And then you wonder why your skin looks dead, why your eyes have no life in them, why you feel 60 when you're 28. Processed sugar ages your skin faster than the sun. Junk food destroys your gut, and your gut controls your mood. You are literally building your face and your body out of the worst possible materials every single day. Eat real food, drink water. You'll look like a different person in 90 days, not because of magic, because of chemistry. Number 5, you live like a vampire. When was the last time you actually went outside? Not to your car, outside. Sunlight, fresh air, real daylight hitting your skin. Vitamin D is not optional. It regulates your mood, your sleep, your immune system, and yes, your appearance. People who never see sunlight look pale, tired, and sick, because they are. 15 minutes of morning sunlight changes your circadian rhythm, boosts your testosterone, clears your skin, and gives your eyes actual life. Stop living in a dark room staring at a screen and wondering why you look like a ghost. Number 6, you're destroying your sleep. You stay up until 3 in the morning scrolling through your phone, watching other people live their lives while you waste yours. Then you sleep 5 hours, wake up looking 10 years older than you are, cover the dark circles with excuses, and do it all again tomorrow. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, your skin regenerates, your hormones reset, your brain processes stress. When you steal sleep from yourself, you're stealing your own health and your own appearance. 7 to 8 hours, consistent schedule, no screens 1 hour before bed. Dark room, cold temperature, this is not negotiable. Now let me tell you what this is really about. It's not about vanity, it's about responsibility. Every single habit I just described is a choice you make daily. Not a curse, not genetics, not fate, a choice. And every choice has a consequence. You're not a victim of bad looks, you're a victim of bad decisions on repeat. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna pick one habit from this list, just one, and you're gonna fix it today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. Because the person you see in the mirror is not your destiny, it's your current score. And scores can change, but only if you stop making excuses and start making moves. Nobody is coming to save your face. That's your job.